Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.
What's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and this is my wife's wrecked 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. It did have frame damage, the hood was damaged. If you want to see those videos, link is going to be in the top right-hand corner. Today is the day that we paint, we do body work, and we do the final assembly. I am super excited. We picked up the front bumper. It's an AMG package. It was actually cheaper than buying the factory spec. I'm very excited about this. Let's see how the spot painting and this paint matching goes. Hopefully it goes good. Let's get to painting. Got the Benz back to the shop. Frame rail is painted. It is looking pretty darn good. Right now we're gonna be doing the final assembly. We're gonna start off with these coolant lines that go from the top radiator, from the top intercooler to the reservoir tank here. There are two lines here that are damaged. And also there's gonna be a secondary water pump that mounts to the front intercooler. This is a wet system, so let's see how this goes. Front end is assembled. It's looking really good. Right now I'm going to be focusing on getting this headlight to work correctly. I have the low beam working and the LED daytime running light. Now I'm going to assign the turn signal, and this is how I do it. You want to hold this camera real quick? So I'm going to go with the teach-in process here. I'm going to do the adaptation, adapt coding, and then we're going to scan the QR code, and the QR code is located right here on the headlight. Show the screen. And it reads the QR code, then we'll hit continue, then we'll scan the C code, and it's that little one right. Gotta get it to focus. Got it. All right, then continue. Can you turn on the signal to the left, to the right, sorry? Turn signal to the right. Okay, so now the headlight is activating all the way. That's good. We'll hit continue. And now the turn signal works. So, good stuff. Now we're going to check out what Metal Mike is doing, painting on the hood and the front bumper. The parts are back from painting, and don't let the camera work fool you. This took about a week and a half and about 6 tries to get this paint matched. I'm still not 100% sold on it, but we will see once everything is mounted. We actually had to take off the passenger side fender to take it to the paint guy to get it matched up just perfect. It is looking really good, but we'll see once it's actually on. So I got all the AMG package parts here. We need to assemble this front bumper and put it on, and then we'll see how it looks like. Also, I bought the wrong emblem. I bought this one here. It's a 2D, the 3D emblem. It's incorrect. I had to buy this one. So yeah, that's another expenditure. But if you want this emblem here, go ahead and comment emblem, and I'll choose the 10th comment and I'll send it out to you. Alrighty, let's get this AMG front bumper put together. Would you look at that front bumper? That is absolutely beautiful. And the paint job is pretty good as well. This is what it was supposed to look like if I used the OEM front bumper. Yeah, this looks 100% better. Now let's look at the paint and the gaps from the dealership compared to what we're looking at here. I think that is pretty darn good. And the paint looks really good as well. I'm very excited. This is going to be a sweet ride for my wife. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Next week, we're gonna be going over all the prices. We're gonna be talking about how much money I saved rebuilding this. Also, the airbag showed up and a couple of special kind of little things that I want to put onto this car. So, stay tuned. I'll see you next week. Peace out.